Hey, so I thought about all of the amenities this property has to offer. It's close to the lake. It has a resort-style pool and resort-style living area, and it has an amazing oversized lot. I just figured you got to come out and see it. 2101 Bishop Barrel Lane, Wylie, Texas. Let's take a look. Step inside to discover a modern, open concept design with gorgeous wood-look tile flooring, a private office with French doors, and a cozy Craftsman style fireplace. The Gourmet Kitchen boasts 42-inch white cabinets, granite countertops, a gas range, and an oversized island, perfect for entertaining. The spacious primary suite features a bay window, ensuite bath, and a huge walk-in closet. Upstairs, you'll discover the flexible game room with its own powder bath, ideal for hosting or relaxing. And let's talk about Inspiration's resort-style amenities: a lazy river, pools, fitness center, dog park, sports courts, and miles of trails along Lake Lavon. This backyard is one of the largest in the entire community of Inspiration, and the home is absolutely move-in ready. So hey, DM me or send me a text. Love to show it to you.